Hi, everyone, and I want to welcome you to our first lecture for the mechanical engineering section for ENGR115. So, Introduction to Mechanical Engineering at Cal Poly Humboldt. I'm very excited to have you in our course and to welcome you and congratulate you on your acceptance into our program. Mechanical engineering is one of the fastest growing at this particular moment when this video is recorded. One of the fastest growing majors in all of Cal Poly Humboldt, and you are an increasingly larger and larger class, which is fantastic. So we're so happy to have you in our cohort of students. And congratulations again on getting into our program. Mechanical engineering is a very, very, very fun engineering program, but it's also one of the most difficult engineering programs in all of the different disciplines of engineering. So civil engineering, environmental engineering, electrical engineering, bioengineering, material science and engineering. Mechanical is one of the most difficult. And it's one of the most difficult because of all the different subdisciplines, which we're going to get to in just a bit. And in this class, we are going to go through some of the most fundamental aspects of mechanical engineering. So we're going to get into it. This class is meant to just be a broad overview of mechanical engineering. And we will focus on introducing you to some critical aspects, introduce some really, really cool and hopefully new and innovative labs that will pique your interest and get you into our program. So glad to have you and can't wait to see you in class. But in the meantime, these lectures are going to help you kind of navigate your way and always are a reference for you to have. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.